Icon International India 2023, Parinita Bakshi. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause. We need more energy. She will be representing 1.4 billion Indians over the country in Cambodia next year. Please give her a huge round of applause. Your Miss Teen Icon International India 2024, Lavanya Das. A huge thank you.